Hi, welcome to East Coast Travel on YouTube. This is not a cooking show and no recipe here. I'll just show you the street food in many Asian countries. This one is in Thailand. This is the grilled big bird. It's, it's the farm bird. It's called quail. I think it's quail bird. And don't worry, this is not wild animal. It's not a wild animal. The race is in farm, and this is what they grill over fire, charcoal fire, and add some spice, some salt, breaded in sauce, and you add some uh, ground salt and pepper and other that stuff later. It's not It's not often to find this one. The grilled one is the grilled quail bird is much harder than the the fried one. Normally they fry it with vegetable oil and enjoy it with sticky rice. This one is it's quite rare. I think that it's a new food, in on the streets. When you're talking about the street food in many Southeast Asian countries, they also evolve every day. I mean, people try to get the new thing, new stuff to customer to compete each other. So they evolve every day, and this one is like a new food. Uh, you enjoy it with the chili sauce. This is style like it's like a Thai chili sauce. It's the sauce is clear and quite spicy. They add some ground chili and uh, ground chili, fish sauce and other stuff. And you enjoy it with this. This is the quail leg. It looks scary, and then people who never try to eat bird before, um, it's so scary. I mean, for the first time, it's quite scary, but the taste is pretty good, pretty okay. And in the Chinese cuisine, you also have the pigeon and other stuff. Well, this one is I think the most popular, and don't worry, it also raised in farm. And another thing that you can find in many Southeast Asian countries is the quail eggs. You can find it everywhere: Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia. But the real one is harder to find.